Hey gang, Mark LeBlanc welcoming you back to the Alley Cat Workshop. I'm going to start a new playlist with this video. This is going to be a playlist called Fixing My Boo-Boos. So this is where I try at least to fix something that went wrong. And by my history, this playlist should get filled up pretty quickly because I'm constantly doing little mistakes here and there and I need to fix them. The one I'm going to do today concerns this bowl here. This is spalted maple. I turned this a while ago actually, and I stumbled upon an issue and I've always put it off to fix it, but today's the day. Here's the issue. This bowl had a tenon on it, and as I was removing the tenon, I was using a push cut in this direction, which put a lot of pressure on the bowl laterally. The bowl was sitting in these jumbo jaws right here. And so I put so much pressure that at some point in time the bowl just kind of popped out of its moorings, and I'll show you here, but there's a nice little neck right on the lip of the bowl. The rest of the bowl is actually quite fine, but that little lip means that that bowl in this state is nothing I can do with. I mean, I can't sell it. I can use it, but it looks like hell. So I'm going to try to fix it. And so this video, you're going to see me actually attempting to fix this thing. I think I've got a good approach, so should work. Stick around. All right, so here's my strategy. If I still had a tenon on this bowl or a mortise, it would be really easy. Just slap it back onto a chuck and move on. But I don't have either a mortise or a tenon. I've got a nice flat surface over here, and well, gonna have to live with it. So my strategy is the following. I have turned this little block of, I think it's birch, and I've put a slight concave or convex, I'm not sure which one here, but curve in here so that really the edge is what is touching the wood. And so I'm going to use my live center here, and I'm going to just friction fit this guy. By the way, I do have the center point clearly identified on the back. All right, so I've got this, and I'm just going to use hot glue and join these two pieces together temporarily. All right, let's add a little bit more here. All right, let this sit for a while. Let the glue dry, and then we'll mount it in the chuck and be able to do our fix. The operative word here is we should. All right, so I've got the bowl mounted in my chuck, and it is running true. So I'm really happy with the setup so far. This next step, really quite easy. Let's just remove a little bit of the lip. Bring the bowl down a little bit, and I'll take advantage of the situation. It might actually fix a little bit of a defect here on the side. So we'll do that as well. Okay, here we go. So running at 900 RPM, we just boost it up a little bit, bring it to 1,000. And I'm going to take very light cuts here, not to risk anything. Why don't you do a pull cut? Oh boys. That was not good. That was not good, and the seal between my bowl and the wooden chuck is okay. It's just that the wooden chuck moved, so I'm going to reset it. Oh boys, that was not good. As you can imagine, just from the noise and everything, it's not a very enjoyable feeling right now, cutting this. So I think I'm going to try actually as a scraper. Let's see what I can do with that and see if it's going to just help a little bit. Remove some of the chatter. All right, good news is the problem is fixed. Like I said, I'm gonna just clean it up a little bit more on the inside and, well, we'll move on to the next step after that. All right, let me take that off camera and I'll bring you back when we need to detach the bowl from the chuck. All right, we're at the final step, which is to detach the bowl from the chuck. The glue actually works really well, so how are we going to get rid of this? Well, apparently, I'm crossing my fingers here because this might actually turn everything to muck, is if you use denatured alcohol, it actually dissolves or breaks down the glue. So I have a bottle here of denatured alcohol, and I'm going to apply said alcohol I'm going to keep doing this until the glue dissipates and the bowl leaves or gets released. And it ain't happening yet. So wish me luck. I'll come back to you when this thing is done. Welcome back. So a couple of days ago, I showed you how I fixed the bowl, but it is still stuck to the temporary chuck that I made. I tried denatured alcohol to break down the seal with the hot glue that I've got behind it. No dice, did not work. Let's put this aside. I then took this product here that you use for fondue sets, that you put that in your burner and it gives you the nice little heat. Tried that on the glue, no dice. Once again, complete failure. Hopefully 3 is a charm, because I went out and bought some rubbing alcohol, and hopefully this one is going to work. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some of this . All right, and let's see if we're getting any results. So far, nothing. My God, hot glue is solid. Oh, there we go. Yay, it worked. All right. So rubbing alcohol worked. It broke down the hot glue and broke the seal, and I now have my bowl. I will clean it up and it will be part of the collection. So hopefully this was useful for you guys. Learn from my mistakes. Please don't do the same things. And in essence, if you like this video, click the thumbs up. If not, click the thumbs down. I honestly don't care. And do subscribe if you haven't done so. In the meantime, enjoy your shop time, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video.